Hi, welcome to Working Your Gigs. This is the second step in the Guru tutorials for smartmomgig.com. Once you log in, navigate to the second tab at the top called Guru Dashboard. This is where you're going to find all of the work and gigs that you're working on currently. So we've went through the first one, and the second one we'll go through in a bit, and the last one is what we're going to be looking at right now. This is where you will find all of the gigs that you're currently working on. Simply click on the purple gig ID. Okay, the gig details page is where all of the information is that you will need in order to be successful at this gig, and make sure that you're doing the work that was asked for and required. Make sure to look through all of the information as well as checking to verify if there's additional documentation attached in the file section. This should be everything that you need in order to be successful. The bottom of the gig details page is where you will be submitting documentation and information back to the gig owner in order to complete the job. You can attach as many files as you need. Once you're done, you'll click on the second button next to it that will push the information to the gig owner where they can review it and either accept the job as complete or push it back to you once for changes. We're back on the Guru dashboard, and this time we're looking at the second section titled Changes Requested. If an owner has requested changes from your first submittal, it'll be listed here in this area. All that you'll need to do is go back into the gig details, take a look at what those changes are that they were requesting, and resubmit. Again, once you're ready to make those changes and submit them to the owner, you'll simply upload your documents just like before, and you'll see that they post underneath the documents that have already been uploaded. You will again push the button to complete and to send the information into the owners to request review, and you're done. So make sure if they're requesting changes that you do your very best, because this is the end of the line. It will be complete after the submission and you will be paid. Remember that you have the ability to rank the owners based off of how happy you are with the job, and they have the right to rank you based off of how happy they are with the job that you've done. So make sure if they're requesting changes that you're able to fulfill all of their needs. Thank you for attending the second Gig Guru training on how to accept and push completed work through to the gig owner. Congratulations, you've now completed a gig. Make sure to attend the third training for Gig Gurus on how you get paid.